Welcome to the video class of the chapter that is differential equation. Okay, now to refresh our minds and concentrate our mind, let's do Brahmanad. So let's do Brahmanads. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Dear students, in last class we discussed the solution of the differential equation by using variable separation method. Then we discussed what is linear differential equation and types of linear differential equation. Okay, now how to solve linear differential equation of type 1 and type 2, and also discuss some problems of linear differential equations. Today we are going to discuss some more problems on linear differential equation. Then we will discuss Bernoulli's equations, that is non-linear differential equation we have to reduce into linear form, then proceed as linear differential equation. This is the today's topic and concept we are going to discuss. Okay, this is the topic, that how to solve linear non-linear differential equation reducing to differential equation, that is called Bernoulli's equation. Okay, let's start some more problems of linear differential equations. Okay, now this is the question. This question is from Elements book, and this one is a very lengthy one, so watch carefully the video. Solution, that is sin x into dy by dx is equal plus what? Plus 3y is equal to cos x. Clear? Now divide both sides by sin x. Divide both sides by sin x, we get what? That implies dy by dx plus 3 by sin x means 3 cosec x into y is equal to cos x by sin x, that is cot x. This is in the form of dy by dx plus p into y is equal to q. This is in the form of this. So what is p here? That is p is equal to 3 cosec x, and q is equal to what? Cot x, and q is equal to cot x. Now integration p dx is equal to integration 3 into, that is cosec x into dx. What is integration of cosec x? That is equal to what? 3 into log cosec x minus cot x. Okay, so this will be what we can write here, that is integrating factor. Then integrating factor if is equal to e to the power p dx, that is e to the power 3 into log of what? Cosec x minus cot x. Clear? So we can write here this is equal to what? We can write here if is equal to what? If is equal to e to the power what? E to the power p ds means what? This is equal to e to the power log of what? Cosec x minus cot x power 3. So this is equal to what? Cosec x minus cot x whole to the power 3. Clear? Now simplify this. Now simplify this. Now simplify this. This is equal to what? This is equal to IF is equal to that is 1 by sin x minus what? Minus cos x by sin x whole to the power 3. So this is equal to IF is equal to, this is what? 1 minus cos x by sin x. 1 minus cos x by sin x, that is power 3. So 1 minus cos x means what? 1 minus cos x means what? This is equal to 2 sin square x by 2 by 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 into what? Cos x by 2 power q. This is 2 cancel and 1 sin x by 2 cancel. This is IF is equal to what? Tan x by 2 whole cube. Tan x by 2, tan q x by 2. IF is equal to. Now this general solution is what? General solution is IF, that is y into IF is equal to what? Q into IF into dx. So y, that implies y is equal to what? Y into IF means what? Tan x q x by 2. Tan q x by 2 is equal to what is q? Q is cot x. Okay, cot x. IF is what? Tan x, tan q x by 2 into dx. Okay. Now this is equal to y into tan q x by 2 and this is 1 by what? 1 by 10. So this is equal to tan q x by 2 by tan x into dx. Now use half angle formula for tan x. So this is equal to what? Now y into, that is y into tan q x by 2 integration of what? Tan q x by 2 whole divided by tan q x by 2 whole divided by what? 2 tan x by 2 divided by what? 1 minus tan square x by 2 into dx. Okay. Now y into tan q x by 2 now y into what? Tan x by q. This is y into tan q x by 2 is equal to what? That is equal to here tan x by 2 and this is tan square x by 2. Tan q x by 2 into what? Into 1 minus tan square x by 2 divide by 2 tan x by 2 divide by 2 tan x by 2. Here tan x by 2 and this is square. So this is what? This is equal to y into tan q x by 2. Y into tan q x by 2 is equal to what? Is equal to, this is tan square. Tan square x by 2 1 minus, this is 1 by 2 1 minus tan square x by 2. Okay. So what is here? That is tan square x by 2 means sec square x by 2. We can write here. This is sec square x by 2 or y tan cube x by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 integration of what? 1 minus tan square x by 2 here. And what is here? For this we can write sec square x by 2 minus 1 into dx. So multiply this, that is equal to y into tan cube x by 2 is equal to 1 by 2, and multiply this, that is what, sec square x by 2, sec square x by 2, sec square x by 2, and this is what, minus 1 and minus what, tan square x by 2 into sec square x by 2, and this is tan square x by 2, and this is plus tan square x by 2. Okay, and this is what, and this is put separate integration. So this is what, sec square x by 2 minus 1 minus tan square x by 2 sec square x by 2, and this is what, minus minus plus, and this is tan square x by 2 whole into dx. Now this is equal to what, y into, we can write here, that is y into tan cube x by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 into sec square x by 2 into dx, and what is this here, this is integration of, that is minus 1 by 2 into what, dx, and minus 1 by 2 tan x square by 2 into sec square x by 2, and this is 1 by 2 into tan square x by 2. Okay, 1 by 2 into tan square x by 2. So this is equal to integration 1 by 2 and tan square x by 2 is sec square x by 2 minus 1 into 2 sec square x by 2. Okay, so what is this? This is half sec square x by 2, and this is what? This is half sec square x by 2. So this is sec square x by 2. Here half sec square x, and this is half, and this is half. This is minus what? Minus 1. Okay, tan square x, or we can write here, or we can solve this is, this will be easy if we have to solve like this, sec square x integration of half of what? Sec square x by 2 minus 1, and this is what? Tan square x by 2, and this is sec square x by 2, and again tan square x by 2 means what? Sec square x by 2 minus 1. Okay, so sec square x by 2 sec square x by 2. Okay, so y is equal, y into tan cube x cube by tan cube x by 2 is equal to half 1 1 2, that is half sec square x by 2, sec square x by 2 minus 1 2, and this half means 1 dx, and minus what? Minus 1 by 2 into what? Tan square x by 2 into what? Sec square x by 2 dx. 1 2 3 for third integral put tan x by 2 is equal to t, tan x by 2 is equal to t, that is sec square x by 2 into 1 by 2 is dx is equal to dt. So sec square x by 2, this is dx is equal to 2 dt. It is only for third integral. Now integration y into, that implies y into tan cube x by 2 integration of sec square x, that is what? Sec square x by 2 1 by 1 by 2, that is 2 tan x by 2, and what is this? This is x, and this is minus 1 by 2, and this is what? T square into what? Sec square x by 2, that is 2 dt. So 2 cancel here, that is y into tan cube x by 2 tan x by 2 minus x, and minus what? T cube by 3 plus c. Now y y into, that is y into tan q x by 2 minus is equal to 2 tan x by 2 minus x minus, what is t here? T means tan x by 2. This is minus tan q x by, this is 3 plus c. This is the answer. This question is very important. And another question. Now this is another question. Solve x plus y plus 1 dy by ds is equal to 1. This is question. This question asked in 2003 council's examination. Okay, so solve it. Solution is what? That is x plus y plus 1 into dy by dx is equal to 1. Now dy by ds is equal to what? 1 by what? X plus y plus 1. So reverse, dx by dy is equal to x plus y plus 1. This is dx by dy is minus x is equal to y plus 1. This is in the form of, it is in the form of what? That is dx by dy plus px is equal to q. Okay, p and q are function of y or constant. Here p is equal to minus 1, q is equal to y plus 1. Now integrative factor, find integrative factor, that is IF is equal to what? IF is equal to e to the power p dy. So e to the p dy means what? E to the power integration minus dy. So e to the power minus y, e to the power minus y, IF is equal to. Now solution is what? Solution is x into IF is equal to q into IF into dy. So x into IF means x into e to the power minus y, e to the power minus y is equal to q means what? Y plus 1 into e to the power minus y, e to the power minus y into dy. Now use by parts method. So that is equal to x into e to the power minus y is equal to what? Is equal to Euler method. This is u plus y plus 1 integration e to the power minus y dy minus whole integration differentiate derivative of what? With respect to y, derivative of, this is dy by y plus 1 integration e to the power minus y into dy. This is the by parts method. Now this is equal to x into what? X into e to the power minus y is equal to y plus 1 e to the power minus y integration minus e to the power minus y minus of what? Derivative of y with respect to y is equal to 1 here this is 1 and this minus e to the power minus y into dy. Okay, now x is equal to, now x into e to the power minus y is equal to minus y plus 1 into e to the power minus y and minus plus again minus e to the power minus y plus c. This is the solution of this type of equation, or this can be solved by putting x plus y plus 1 equal to z. This can be solved in this method using variable separation method. Okay. Now another question. Solve x plus tan y dy is equal to sin y 2y dx. Now solution is what? Solution is x plus tan y dy is equal to what? Is equal to sin 2y into dx. Now this implies what? Dx by dy is equal to what here? That is x plus tan y divided by sine 2y. Okay, now this is dx by dy, this is x by sine 2y, this is tan y by, this is what, tan y by sine 2y. Okay, now this is what, this is dx by dy minus, this is what, cosec 2y into what, x is equal to, this is tan y divided by value, what is formula for sine 2y, that is equal to what, 2 tan y by 1 plus tan square y. So 10 by cancel, so this is dx by dy minus cosec 2y into x is equal to 1 plus tan square y ऊपर को आसिबो, this is half of sec square y. Now this it is in the form of, it is in the form of dy by dx, dx by dy plus p into x is equal to q. This is type 2. Okay, now here p is equal to what, here p is equal to minus cosec 2y and q is equal to 1 by 2 sec square y. Now find p dy, integration p dy. Okay, now integration p dy is equal to minus of cosec 2y into dy. So this is equal to what, this is equal to minus 1 by 2 into log of cosec 2y minus cot 2y. So this is equal to minus 1 by 2 into log of what, cosec 2y minus cot 2y, that is 1 by sin 2y minus cos 2y by sin 2y. This is equal to log of minus half, that is log of what, 1 minus cos 2y by sin 2y to the power minus 1 by 2. Okay, so this is equal to log of 2 sin square y by 2 sin y into cos y to the power minus 1 by 2. So 2 to cancel here, that is equal to what, sin, 1 sin cancel here, log of, that is tan y to the power minus 1 by 2. Okay, now if is equal to e to the power p dy. So e to the power log of what, e to the power log of tan y to the power minus 1 by 2, that is what, tan y to the power minus 1 by 2, that is root over what, 1 by root over tan y. This is if, this is if. Now solution is what, now solution is what, solution is x into if q into if into what, dy. So x into if means, x into if means 1 by root over tan y is equal to q. Q means what, q is equal to half of integration 1 by 2 sec square y divided by what, root over tan y, divided by root over tan y, dy. So solution is what? This is equal to x by, that implies x by root over 10 by, and this is what? 1 by 2 into f dash x by root of x. So 2 into root over 10y plus c. So 2 to cancel here, that is what? X is equal to 10y plus c into root over 10y. This is answer. This is answer. X is equal to 10y plus root c into root of 10y. Now another question. Solve x log x dy by dx plus y is equal to log x. Solution: x into log x into dy by dx plus y is equal to 2 log x. Divide both sides by x into log x. That implies dy by dx is equal to a plus 1 by x into log x, x into log x into y is equal to 2 by x. 2 by x. It is in the form of dy by dx plus p into y is equal to q. Here p is equal to 1 by x into log x, q is equal to 2 by x. Now integration p dx, that is 1 by x into log x dx. So we can write here, that is what? We can write here, that is 1 by x by log x dx. So this is what? F dash x by fx. So this is log of log x, log of log x, log of log x. Okay, nothing but here e, log of log. So if is equal to what? If is equal to integrating factor. This is p dx. If is equal to e to the power p dx. So e to the power p dx means what? Log of log x, log of log x. That is derivative of log x 1 by x. So log of log x. So this is equal to what? That is equal log x, log x. Now the solution is, general solution is what? General solution is y into if is equal to q into if into dx. So y into log x is equal to q means what? 2 by x, 2 by x into what? Log x dx. Okay, so put log x is equal to t, put log x is equal to t, 1 by x ds is equal to dt. So y log x is equal to, that is 1 by x ds equal to dt, so t into dt. So y log x is equal to t square by 2 plus c. So cancel here, that is y log x is equal to y into log x is equal to log x whole square plus c. Okay. Now another question. This is solution dy by dx plus y by x is equal to x square. Here p is equal to 1 by x, q is equal to x square. So integration p dx is equal to integration 1 by x ds is equal to log x. So if is equal to e to the power p dx is equal to e to the log x. So this is x. Okay, so solution is what? A y into if is equal to q into if into dx. So y into if means y into x, and this is q means what? Q means x square into x dx. That is y x is equal to what? X cube. So x4, that is what? X cube, integration x cube dx. So yx is equal to what? X fourth by 4 plus c. Okay. Now when given this is equation 1, suppose given y of 1 is equal to 1, y of 1 is equal to 1, so put x is equal to 1, y equal to 1. So 1 into 1 is equal to 1 by 4 plus c. So this is equal to what? C is equal to 1 minus 1 by 4. So this is equal to 3 by 4. Now particular solution is y x is equal to x fourth by 4, c means what? 3 by 4. This is the particular solution. Now another question. This is another question. Solve dy by ds plus 2y into tan x is equal to sin x. So solution, this can be written as what? dy by dx plus 2 tan x into what? Y is equal to sin x. And the condition is what? Y of pi by 3 is equal to 0. Means when x is equal to pi by 3, y equal to 0. So p is equal to what? Tan x. Q is equal to what? Sin x. So integration p dx means what? Integration 2 tan x into dx. That is equal to 2 into log what? Integration of tan x, log sec x. So this is equal to log sec square x. So if is equal to what? If is equal to e to the power p dx. So e to the power log sec square x, that is equal to what? Sec square x. So solution is general solution, that is general solution is y into if is equal to q into if into dx. So that is y into sec square x is equal to q means what? Q means what? Sin x. Okay, sin x into what? Sec square x dx. Okay, so this is equal to y into sec square x, and this is 1 by what? 1 by this is sin x by what? Cos x, and 1 sec x here. So dx. So this is equal to y into sec square x and is equal to what? Tan x into sec x ds. So this is y is equal to, now y is equal to, that implies y is equal to y into sec square x is equal to what is integration of sec x into tan x, that is log sec x, integration of sec x into tan x, that is what? That is tan x sec x here, sec x plus c. Integration of tan x into sec x plus c. Okay, then this is suppose 1. Given y of pi by 3 is equal to 0, means x is equal to 0 when, or y equal to 0 when x is equal to pi by 3. So y is 0 and x is equal to what? Pi by 3. 0 is equal to pi by 3 plus c, that is equal to sec 60. Sec 60 value is half, as cos 60 value half, sec 60 equal to 2. So 0 is equal to 2 plus c. So c is equal to minus 2. C equal to minus 2. Now particular solution. Particular solution is y sec square x is equal to sec x. C is what? C is equal to minus 2. This is answer. Okay. Now one more question. Now solve this. Solve x plus 2yq dy by dx is equal to y. So this is what? Dx by dy is equal to what? That is equal to x plus 2yq divided by y. Now that is dx by dy, and this is minus y into x is equal to what? 2y square. Here this is form of what? It is in the form of dx by dy plus p into x is equal to q. Here p is equal to minus 1 by y, q is equal to 2y square. Now integration p dy, that is integration of minus of 1 by y into dy. So minus log y, that is log of 1 by y. So if is equal to what? Integrating factor if is equal to e to the log 1 by y. So this is 1 by y. This is 1 by y. Now general solution is what? Solution is x into if is equal to q into if into what? Dy. Integration. This is x into 1 by y, and this is q means what? 2y square into 1 by y dy. That is x by y is equal to 2 into integration y dy. So x by y is equal to 2 into y square by 2 plus c. So this goes cancel, that is x is equal to yq plus cy. This is answer. Now let's discuss about non-linear differential equation, that is Bernoulli equation. Now solution of non-linear differential equation. Non-linear first order differential equation reducing to linear differential equation. Reducing to linear differential equation, and this is called what? Bernoulli equation. This is called Bernoulli's equation. Bernoulli's equation, that is type 1. dy by dx plus py is equal to q into y to the power n, where n not equal to 1. If n is equal to 1, then we can solve by variable separation method. Okay, where p and q are functions of x or constants. Procedure to solve. Divide, this is equation 1. Divide both sides by step 1. That is step 1. Divide both sides by y to the power n. So we get here that is 1 by y to the power n into dy by dx plus p into y to the power what? This is y to the power 1 minus n is equal to q. Okay, this is suppose equation 1 and this is equation 2. Step 2, put y to the power, this term, second term, y term, y to the minus n is equal to z, and differentiate both sides with respect to x. So 1 minus n into y to the power minus n into dy by dx is equal to dz by dx. So that implies y to the power minus n into dy by dx is equal to 1 by 1 minus n into dz by dx. Apply this and this in equation 2. Apply this is suppose equal a and this is b. Step 3, apply equation a and equation b in equation 2. In equation 2, that is what? That implies 1 by 1 minus n into dz by dx plus p into z is equal to what? Q, or this is dz by dx plus p into 1 minus n into z is equal to q into 1 minus n. This is linear differential equation. This is linear differential equation, and proceed as linear differential equation. This is the solution procedure, and now we'll discuss some problems related to this concept. This is the question: dy by ds plus y by x minus 1 is equal to x into y to the power half. This is in the form of solution: dy by dx plus 1 by x minus 1 into what? Y. This is equal to x into y to the power 1 by 2. It is in the form of dy by dx plus py is equal to q into y to the power n. Okay, so this is Bernoulli's equation. Bernoulli's equation. So you have to reduce the into linear form. It is not linear. You have to reduce it linear form. So divide both sides by y to the power 1 by 2. So this is what? Y to the power minus 1 by 2 dy by dx plus 1 by x minus what? X minus 1 and y to the power 1 by 2. Y to the power 1 by 2 is equal to x. Now put second term, y term is z. So put y to the power 1 by 2 is equal to z, and differentiate 1 by 2 into y to the power minus 1 by 2 into dy by dx is equal to what? Dz by dx. So this implies what? Y to the power minus 1 by 2 dy by dx is equal to 2 dz by dx. Now apply. This is suppose equation 1 and this is equation 2 and this is suppose equation A and this is from equation B. Now apply 1 A and B in equation 2. Now apply A and B in equation 2. Okay, now this is what, that is 2 dz by dx is equal to, that is what, 2 dz by dx, 2 dz by dx plus 1 by x minus 1 into z is equal to x. So divide both sides by 2, that is what, dz by dx plus 1 by 2 into x minus 1 into z is equal to x by 2. This is linear differential equation. LDE means linear differential equation. Okay. Now this is linear differential equation. So here P is equal to what? P is equal to 1 by 2 into x minus 1 and Q is equal to x by 2. So find equation P dx. Now P dx, that is what? 1 by 2 into 1 by x minus 1 into dx. So 1 by 2 log x minus 1. Okay, that is what? Log x minus 1 root over. Okay. Now that is if is equal to e to the power p dx. So that is what? E to the power log root over x minus 1. So root over x minus 1. Okay. Now solution is what? Solution is z into if. Z into if is equal to what? Q into if into dx. So z into if means what? Root over x minus 1 and q means what? Q is here, that is x by 2. X by 2 into root over what? X minus 1 into dx. Okay. Now z means what? Z is here, z is equal to y to the power 1 by 2. Y to the power 1 by 2 into root over x minus 1. This is what? This is 1 by 2 into, and this for this put x minus 1 is equal to t square. On this power put x minus 1 is equal to t square and dx is equal to t into dt. Now x is equal to what? X is equal to t square plus 1. T square plus 1. So z means y to the power 1 by 2 root over x minus 1. So 1 by 2, x means what? T square plus 1 into this is t and ds is equal to what? 2 dt. 2 dt. Okay. Now this is equal to y. This is equal to what? Y to the power 1 by 2 into root over x minus 1 is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. Then and 1 by 2 at this 2 goes cancel. So not here. T square into t square, that is t fourth and plus t square dt. Okay. So this is equal to what? This is equal to y to the power 1 by 2 root over x minus 1 t 5 by 5 plus t cube by 3 plus c. What is t here? T means what? Where t is equal to root over x minus 1. So y to the power 1 by 2 root over x minus 1 1 by 5 x minus 1 to the power 5 by 2, or this is what? Take common here, what? Take common tq here, tq common tq. So this is what? 3tq and this is 5, sorry, this is 3 into t to the power 5, 3 into t to the power 5 plus 5 into tq by what? 15 plus c. So take tq common, that is equal to y 1 by 2 root over x minus 1 and tq common, that is tq by 15 common, that is what, 3t square, and this is plus 5 plus c. Now putting the value of t, y to the power 1 by 2 root over x minus 1, tq means what, t is root over x minus 1, that is x minus 1 to the power 3 by 2 divided by 15, and this is what, 3 into x minus 1 plus 5 plus c. Okay, so this is equal to y into 1 by 2 root over x minus 1, and this is x minus 1 to the power 3 by 2 by 15, and 3x minus 3, that is 3x plus 2, 3x plus 2 plus c. This is answer. Okay, then this is the one question from Bernoulli's equation. Now second type of Bernoulli equation. Second type of Bernoulli equation, type 2, Bernoulli equation of type 2. Bernoulli's equation of type 2, that is dx by dy plus px is equal to q into x to the power n. Okay, so this is divide both sides by x to the power n. So x to the power minus n into dx by dy plus p into x to the power 1 minus n is equal to q. Put second term, x term is t or z. Put put x to the power 1 minus n is equal to what, z. Now differentiate with respect to y. Differentiate with respect to y. So 1 minus n into x to the power minus n into what, dx by dy is equal to dz by dx. That implies, suppose this is equation 1 and this is equation 2 and this is equation a, and x to the power minus n dx by dy is equal to 1 by 1 minus n into dz by ds. Suppose this is equation b. Apply a and b in equation 2. Apply a and b in equation 2. So what happens here, that is 1 by 1 minus n into dz by, this is not x here, this is dy, this is dy, clear? So this is dy, dx by dy. So dz by dy a plus p into z is equal to q. Okay, so that is dz by dy plus what, p into 1 minus n into z is equal to what, this is q into 1 minus n. This is linear differential equation, this is, or it is linear differential equation, and proceed as linear differential equation method. Okay, now one question related to this concept. This is the question, solve y into ds by dy plus x is equal to what, x square into log y. This is the question, and this is asked in CHSC 2004. Okay, now solution, y into dx by dy plus x is equal to x square into log y. First divide both sides by y. This is divide both sides by y. So dx by dy plus 1 by y into x is equal to what, log y by y, this is x square. It is the second form of the Bernoulli equation. It is in the form of what? Dx by dy plus p into x is equal to q into x to the power n. Okay, this is Bernoulli's equation. Now divide both sides by x square. Now divide both sides by x square. So x to the power minus 2 dx by dy plus 1 by y into 1 by x is equal to log y by y. Okay, now let second term of x term is z. Put 1 by x is equal to z, differentiate with respect to y. So minus what? Minus 1 by x square dx by dy is equal to dz by dx. Now this is suppose equation 1, this is equation 1, and this is what? Equation 2, and this is equation suppose a, and what? X to the power minus 2, x to the power minus 2 dx by dy is equal to minus dz by dx. Suppose this is b. So apply a and b in equation 2. Apply equation a and equation b in equation 2. So what happens here? That is minus dz by dx, that implies minus dz by dx, minus dz by dy. This is dy, not x here, this is y, and plus this is what? 1 by y into z, this is equal to log y by y. Okay, so that is dz by dx is equal to minus 1 by y into z is equal to minus log y by y. This is linear differential equation. Now p is equal to minus 1 by y, q is equal to minus log y by y. So this is integration p dy is equal to integration minus 1 by y dy is equal to minus log y, that is log of 1 by y. So if is equal to what? E to the power p dy. If is equal to e to the power p dy, that is equal to e to the power log 1 by y. So if is equal to 1 by y. Now general solution is, z into if is equal to q into if into dy, and z means what? Z is equal to 1 by x, if means what? 1 by y, q means what? Minus log y by y, and if means what? Into y. Okay, then dy. So y goes cancel. Now that is 1 by x into y is equal to what? Minus of, what is integration of log y? Y log y minus y. By parts, what is integration of log x dx? That is what? Log x minus x log x minus x. So or you can use by parts. So minus 1 into log y. 1 is second function, that is integration of what? Log y into 1 into dy. So that is equal to 1 by xy. So minus here 1 into, that is log y into integration dy minus whole d by d of log y with respect to y here, so integration what? 1 dy. So this is equal whole dy. Clear? So this is equal to, that implies 1 by xy is equal to minus y dy integration y log y, and this is minus plus, and log y means what? 1 by y derivative, and this is y whole integration dy. So this goes cancel. So 1 by xy, the answer is what? The answer is 1 by x into y minus y log y and dy integration is y plus c. This is the solution of this type equation. Now these are the concept and the problems of linear differential equation and Bernoulli's equation. Bernoulli's equation means it is not in the form of linear equation. We have to reduce in the linear form, then we can solve as linear method. Thank you. Have a nice day.